The fund invests across the significant technological innovations progressing across three major dimensions that are critical to achieving carbon neutrality. Our initial investment allocation is relatively balanced across these three areas of clean power generation, industrial transition, and transportation innovation. We have also constructed the portfolio with a good level of diversification across the key sectors, with information technology, industrials, materials, utilities, energy, and consumer discretionary, etc. We believe this balance of both secular and cyclical growth characteristics should help the portfolio do well in different market environments. We have maintained a slightly higher cash weight in the portfolio to take advantage of the current market volatility to increase or initiate positions at attractive long-term reward to risk ratios. In addition, Q1 earnings season will begin soon, and we expect volatility might be higher in the short term, and we look forward to taking advantage of opportunities as they arise. We think it's quite possible that the accelerating innovation toward carbon neutral could increase the growth rates in the portfolio and lead to EPS growth of over 20% over the long term.
Next, I'd like to highlight a few stocks in more detail where we have high conviction over the next several years. First is Chart Industries. Chart is a global manufacturer of engineered equipment. Through a combination of organic and strategic investments, Chart has expanded its presence in hydrogen, water treatment, and carbon storage, and is well positioned in these growing industries. The company estimates that its three-year addressable market in hydrogen alone is over $1 billion. We believe Chart Industries should play a key role in the hydrogen economy as it unfolds over the coming years through the fueling stations, storage, and transport. Generac is a leading global manufacturer of a wide range of energy technology solutions. The company provides power generation equipment, energy storage systems, grid service solutions, and other power products serving the residential, light commercial, and industrial markets. Through investments in R&D that drive continuous innovation, Generac has built a commanding lead in its home standby generator market through their superior designs that are increasingly more powerful and efficient. Generac is also rapidly progressing on innovative next-generation solutions through the integration of solar, storage, software, energy monitoring and management, and optimization that enable grid independence for end users. Freeport-McMoRan is one of the largest copper producers in the world. Copper is a key element to the energy transition as electric vehicles, solar and wind power systems, and electric grid optimization should all drive substantial incremental demand for copper over the coming years. The company is in a strong position to meet this growing demand through globally diverse operations, a large resource base, and efficient operations. Freeport in recent years has increased their competitive advantage in innovation. For example, the company has embraced the widespread implementation of data analysis, automation, and AI, which has resulted in ever-increasing efficiencies and lower costs. Monolithic Power Systems designs and manufactures innovative power management solutions. Monolithic's product innovation focuses on semiconductor chips that are designed to improve power efficiencies and reduce the overall carbon footprint in applications such as automobiles, computers, servers, robotics, and LED lighting solutions. Air Products and Chemicals is a leading producer of industrial gas. Air Products is well positioned to be a leader in the hydrogen for mobility market in the US, given the company's logistical assets, and is involved in 50% of the hydrogen refueling stations in the country. Air Products also has the largest project in the world underway to produce green hydrogen through an electrolyzer powered by solar and wind. Also, Air Products is innovating with new methods of carbon capture, which will substantially lower the cost.
We continue to believe we are at the beginning stages of a multi-decade path towards carbon neutral economy. Meeting these lofty aspirations will require a tremendous amount of investment over the next several decades. Companies that successfully create such decarbonization innovations will be clear beneficiaries from a revenue and earnings growth perspective. as other industries leverage these solutions to shift their operations towards carbon neutral. We believe identifying these opportunities at an early stage remains an attractive approach to capturing long-term value.